Today marks the very first day na naglaro si Ryota para sa Onyx Philippines sa Season 16. You know what time it is? Hands in. There were some changes na nangyari para sa araw nito. Number 1 is Renmar subbing in for me. Renmar, maraming salamat. And number 2, it's Ryota substituting para kay Kirk sa Onyx PH. This is what we were talking about. There will obviously be times na si Ryota ang maglalaro in replacement of Kirk. Kasi syempre na-experience nila yung pagkatalo sa Twisted Minds last week. So siguro naisip nila na parang something has to change. Something needs to be adjusted. At ang naging sagot nila was to put Ryota in. And nakita naman natin, it really had an immediate effect dahil 2-0 sila kontra sa Barangay Omega. I'm not sure if this is gonna be the lineup that they're gonna be doing for a while. Pero ang nakita ko dito is Ryota challenging Kirk's seat. Yes, they're friends. Yes, they're absolute teammates. Pero magiging challenge kasi dyan ay kung sino yung mas maganda yung lalaro pagdating sa Scrim at pagdating mismo sa tournament. Because those are two different things. This series really mattered para kay Ryota because this could make or break his chances. At dahil dun sa 2-0 na nakuha niya, a lot of possibilities could go para sa kanya.